Hey there! Are you looking for a way to make some extra money from home? If you can write English at a third grade level or above, have a computer with an internet connection, and a few spare hours per week, then we could have a part-time writing job for you. PaidOnlineWritingJobs.com is the internet's biggest employer of writers on a part-time basis from home. We work with hundreds of companies who are looking to hire people just like you on a part-time basis to complete simple writing jobs such as writing articles, proofreading, writing reviews, commenting on blogs, and other simple projects. You get to work from your own home, choose your own hours. You can work as much or as little as you want, and you never have to worry about losing your job or not having work to do, because we have literally hundreds of different employers you can work for. You get paid at the end of each week directly into your bank account, and you can begin work right away. Simply fill out the application form on this page, and our system will check all of our current writing jobs to find which ones you're compatible with. It just takes a few seconds to fill out the application, and you could be starting work on your first paid writing job in just a few minutes from now.